Maine has more coastline than California. Did you know that? California is much bigger, and Maine only has about 200 normal miles of coastline. California has 840, so how does that work? It doesn't actually. If you see, it has lots of little inlets. If you zoom in on those, all of this is technically coastline, at least according to the NOAA, the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration. And so it ends up being 3,478 miles of Maine coastland, because all these little islands count as coast, all of these little inlets count as coast. California, despite being a much bigger landmass overall, its coastline is it's just really, really flat. This is one of the few bays in the California coast, and it is, in and of itself, very flat. So the California coastline has about 16 less miles of coast overall, if you're counting all of the little tiny bits, which they do. Meaning that California actually has less coastline than Maine does. Isn't that weird?